RES Automation Manager 2012 now fully integrates with Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager 2007 and also 2012. Let's have a look at the integration by first turning to System Center and creating a package. Within the Configuration Manager console, first go to Computer Management, Software Distribution, Packages, and in the right-hand pane, click New Package. Enter the name, version, manufacturer, and language. Click Next, and browse to the source file directory. Check the box to update distribution points. As we're testing, we'll set for high priority. And we'll use the default security. With the package created, the next stage is to define the distribution point. In the right-hand pane, click New Distribution Points and select the server with the distribution point role installed. So with our package defined in the Configuration Manager console, the next step is to go and add a program. This is the part that actually installs the package. Under the new package, go to Programs, and in the right-hand pane, click New Program. Enter a name, and under Command Line, browse for the executable. In this example, I'm entering the MS switch for a silent install. It's at this point that I could define whether I want Config Manager to automatically restart the computer or log the user off after the program is run. Firefox doesn't need any of these actions, so we'll leave it with no action required. Here you can select the platforms that this particular package can be installed on. I'm just going to leave it at the default to run on any platform and leave it to Automation Manager to make this decision. Here we can select when the program can be run. We have three options. The program can be run when a user is logged on, when there's no user logged on so as not to interrupt the user, or either, whether the user is logged on or not. We're going to allow the user to interact with this program. When we head across to the client in a minute, you'll see that the user will get a pop-up messaging that allows them to delay the install. Not ticking this box will mean the program runs in the background and the user is not interrupted in any way. The next couple of boxes I'll leave as default. There's nothing complex about installing this particular package. Review the summary and then click Next, and the program's successfully been created. The final stage is to create an advertisement for our new package. In the right-hand pane, click New Advertisement. Enter a name. Browse for the package. And confirm the correct program has been selected. Under Collections, you can view the type of device that this advertisement will be made available to. For test purposes, we'll set a high priority and leave the next couple of boxes in their default state. At the summary screen, click Next to finish the actions. Our work in the Configuration Manager console is done. Let's turn to RES Automation Manager 2012. First of all, we'll create a task to check that the Config Manager client is installed and running on the device. Go to Repository, Modules, and right-click to add. Enter the module name and optional description, and under the Tasks tab, click Add. Search for the Config Manager task and select the query client status. Click OK to confirm and OK to save the module. Now let's right-click and schedule job and select the device we'd like to query. This particular job takes only seconds to run. Under Job Results, let's confirm the query. Click the Task tab and click the Config Manager Client query. Sure enough, we can see that everything's installed and running. For more detailed information, click the client at the top of the screen. Let's close the results window and create our next task. Go to Modules, right-click to add, and enter the module name and optional description. This time we're going to invoke the package that we've just created in Config Manager. Under Tasks, click Add, and select the Distribute Software option. Enter the name of the System Center Management Server and the user account and password with the correct privileges. Having entered this information, you should now have the rights to browse for packages, and sure enough, you can see the Firefox package that we've just created. Select the program that's going to do the installation, and we can either browse for the collections in System Center, or alternatively, as I'm going to do here, I can define the specific agent as I invoke the module. Let's click OK to save the module. And now right-click to schedule the job. Under Who, we'll search for the agent. And click OK to start the job. The job's moved to current activity, where we can double-click to view the progress. Now let's turn to our Windows 7 machine. Immediately we can see a message in the sys tray. This was because we selected the interactive option when we're creating the package. Clicking the message provides us with more information. At this point I can wait for the countdown, alternatively I can click Run to initiate the install straight away. And as you can see by the desktop shortcut that's immediately created, Firefox has been successfully installed.